In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use action buttons in PowerPoint 2013 to make your presentations interactive and more professional. Action buttons are perfect for creating clickable navigation, jumping between slides, opening programs, or even adding sound effects during a slideshow. Whether you're building a classroom presentation, a business demo, or a self-running kiosk slide deck, this feature can make a huge difference. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint 2013 and load the presentation where you want to add the action button. Once your slide is open, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, look for the Illustrations group, and then click on Shapes. This will open a large drop-down menu with different types of shapes, including lines, rectangles, arrows, flowchart symbols, and action buttons. Scroll down through the Shapes menu if needed. At the bottom section, you'll find a group specifically called Action Buttons. These are pre-designed shapes that already contain built-in action settings. However, you can actually use any shape as an action button, not just the preset ones. Select the shape you want to use by clicking on it. Now move your cursor to the slide workspace. Click and drag your mouse to draw the shape onto the slide. As soon as you release the mouse button, the Action Settings dialog box will open automatically. This is where you control what happens when someone interacts with the shape. You'll see two tabs at the top, Mouse Click and Mouse Over. Let's start with the Mouse Click tab. Make sure the Mouse Click tab is selected. Under the section labeled Action on Click, you'll see several options. If you want the button to move to another slide, select Hyperlink to, and then open the drop-down list. From here, you can choose Next Slide if you want the presentation to move forward when the button is clicked. You can also choose Previous Slide, First Slide, Last Slide, or even a specific slide number depending on your needs. If instead you want the button to open a program on your computer, select Run Program. Once you choose this option, you'll see a Command Line to Run Program box become available. Click inside that box and type the full file path of the program you want to launch. For example, you can enter the path to an application like a calculator or a custom software tool. Make sure the file path is correct, otherwise the action will not work during the slideshow. You'll also notice an option that says Play Sound. If you want a sound effect to play whenever the button is clicked, simply check the Play Sound box and choose a sound from the drop-down list. This is useful for interactive quizzes or engaging presentations where audio feedback improves the experience. Now let's look at the Mouse Over tab. Click on the Mouse Over tab if you want an action to happen when someone hovers their mouse over the button instead of clicking it. The setup process is exactly the same. You can choose to hyperlink to another slide, run a program, or play a sound on hover. This feature is especially useful for interactive menus or information pop-ups. Once you've selected all your desired settings, click OK to apply the action settings. Your shape is now an active action button. To test it, go to the Slideshow tab and start your presentation. Click the button or hover over it, depending on how you configured it, and confirm that it performs the correct action. And that's how you use action buttons in PowerPoint 2013. As you can see, it's a simple but powerful feature that can completely transform a basic slideshow into an interactive presentation experience. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.